Hi guys, it's Nunu and we're here in discussion one. You as protagonist, the central character in your own story. Okay, what is this assignment all about? Well, let me give you an overview first. We have links here, the timeline. You have two parts to this assignment. Part one, and of course, scrolling down the screen, we have part two. And the timeline when you need to submit this work is right here. You just need to click on the timeline and there it pops up. Post part one by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part two by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. So that is our timeline. And in all of our discussions, I have links where I hide away information so you're not confronted with a whole wad of writing that you have to navigate through. Discussion requirements are right here. Our discussion rubric is right here in our assignment purpose. So let's go ahead and let's click on the assignment purpose. But before we do, let's read the directions partially for part 100 points so this assignment purpose makes sense. So 1, in 750 to 1,250 words, 3 to 5 pages, you're going to tell us about you, your story, and you have links here that you can use to help you to structure this story. And also you have information about the 7 narrator types. In your story, I'm asking you to click on the link below, which is right here, the 7 narrator types, to become informed about what narrator type to use to tell your story. That's because I want you to not use the first person, I, me, my, mine. I'd like you to make another choice. And so you have 7 narrator types here. Okay, so you're really going to tell your story as a story, not as a journal entry or a diary entry. We're making it into a story, your story. So what is the assignment purpose? Why are we doing this? Let me click on this link. So our assignment purpose. A lot of fiction writing is biographical. Writers use details from their lives, what they know, to make their characters seem true to life. That's why you're completing this assignment, to learn how to harvest details from your life to create art. So see autobiographical fiction, this link right here, for more information. Okay, so I'm returning to our assignment. I've given you a brief overview of discussion one. We post all of our writing in our discussions, and our title is You as Protagonist, a Central Character in Your Own Story. So you're going to tell your story and make it into art. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in the inbox. All right, let's have fun. I look forward to reading your stories.